Dobar dan, hvala. I'm very impressed with what I just saw. You have achieved a very high level of professionalism, proficiency that comes about from a lot of personal effort and time and training. And I must say, you're saving lives, your own and the people that you're sworn to protect. Your citizens, those of countries where you deploy, and you're working very closely now with other government departments and civilians. That has also changed the way that all countries are operating. You're working in a much more complex and involved environment. Afghanistan has taught us a lot of lessons. A lot of lessons that have improved the way that all armed forces are working around the world. Through NATO in particular, we're all reaching a higher standard. And your involvement in NATO is exceptional. I've seen it. Canadians have served with Slovenians in Afghanistan. We've had exchanges. We've had an opportunity to work together. And the good news is, there's more coming. There's going to be more opportunities to work together. And you know what else? There's always going to be a need for Slovenian soldiers, because you're very good at what you do. And I also know from speaking to your minister and from speaking to Slovenians, your men and women in this country are very proud of you. I'm very proud of you when I see what you're doing. It's extremely important. You're the best citizens. When you put on a uniform, you're in a different category. You're there as a line of protection. You're putting your own courage, your personal commitment, and that of your families ahead of your own well-being. That's exceptional. I salute you for that. And I thank you. Again, Fala, the very best to you. Thank you so much for this presentation.